Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. And here's what our customer had to say in our latest rave online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and client satisfaction. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why our customers write these amazing reviews for us. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.